Soy milk is a new kind of nutrition drink. Due to the improvement of its manufacturing process, its nutrition is easily to be absorbed by the human body, which can enhance the physique, improve memory, slow down the aging of the human body, and have a good auxiliary therapeutic effect on various diseases. In addition, it has a pure taste and good taste, so it is deeply welcomed by the masses. Soybean protein content is rich. 1 kilograms of soybean protein content is equivalent to 2.3 kilograms of lean pork or 2 kilograms of lean beef, known as green dairy cattle. The 1phase series soybean milk machine is the latest product developed by our factory, which can make soybean milk quickly. It has the advantages of small volume, convenient operation, safe and reliable, fast outputting milk, large capacity, luxurious appearance, etc. All the main parts of the product are made of stainless steel, which meets the food hygiene standard. Soy milk is rich in nutrition, delicious taste, without any preservatives, suitable for all ages. Therefore, the 1phase series soybean milk machine is an ideal equipment for factories, mines, schools, hospitals,